guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the 2 different 12-day advent calendars by Target to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so every year I always wait and wait, not really patiently because I'm looking all the time, but I'm always waiting for the Target 12-day advent calendars to come out. The last few years, they've done 2 different ones. They have a beauty advent calendar, and then they have the 12 days of skincare. So I grabbed both of them. The great thing about these, they're only $20 each one. This is the lowest price point of an advent calendar that I do every single year. That's why I love to show you guys. Yes, they are smaller items, but there's 12 different products. You have the thrill of opening up a door. It's an amazing gift for another or for yourself. So I grabbed both of them to show you what's inside of them. Again, they are $20 each. And if you have a Target card, you get to save 5%. So I love it. Let me go ahead and remove the plastic off of both of these so I can get that shine off. And then we're gonna dive in and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what they look like without the plastic on them. Both of them are the 12 days punch outdoor style. And I'm hoping to add some of these products to that advent calendar that I still need to do for a giveaway for you guys. So this is the 12 days of beauty. Let's start with this one first. Again, they're the punch doors, so you just punch them in. This one is door number 1. This here is festive nail stickers. They have like little snowflakes and stuff like that. So you have some nail stickers here. Definitely good for this time of year, being the snowflakes. Okay, so number 2 is over here. Oh, so down in number 2, we have an e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. That's awesome. That'll definitely go in the giveaway. I don't use primer. So again, I wanted to find some cool items to stick in there as well. So that is really neat. Number 3, I have a NYX product, and it is the Marshmallow Setting Spray. I don't use setting spray either, so this will go in that giveaway. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some cool products to go in there. That's what I was hoping for. Now you can see everything that's included on their site. So if you wanted to know, it's like not like it's like a complete surprise, but I don't even really pay attention to that. I just purchase them because I know I'm just gonna get them anyways. So number 4 is up here with these lips on it. I wonder if it's a lip product that's inside then. Nope, no it's not. This is a big one too. Ooh, it is a makeup blender, latex free 1 blender. And that is the brand. It's a nice little pretty black and white. It's a big one though. Look how big that is. So there's that, the makeup blender. Again, that's a big size. Okay, so number 5 is this little guy down here. And this is the NYX Butter Gloss. It's probably like that color too. That is really neat. So you have a lip product. That would have been cool if it was in with the lips. We're gonna go with number 6 is down here. We're halfway through now. We have the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Ultra Soft Cleansing Towelettes. There's 7 towelettes inside. That would be cool for travel anyway, like, you know, if you're gonna take with you traveling or just to keep in your purse if you ever need it, because it's a small little package of them, but you do have 7 inside. Let's go with number 7. This is, if I can see, it is such small, makeup remover cleansing oil. Okay, so it is a cleansing oil. Number 8. Ooh, this is a really good brand. The Lumify eye drops. I, again, love this brand. This is like the only one that I use normally. It works super well, and I just really like this brand. So I'm so glad to see that's in there because I will definitely hang on to that one. So let's go with number 9. Ooh, we have a nice big e.l.f. product in here. This is Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist, long lasting wear. Ooh, so I bet you it has like a blue light. What is that? Sounds like a big ass ball in there, like for like a paint can almost. That is really neat. That's a big bottle, and if it helps to protect like from blue light on your skin, that's even more amazing. Number 10 is this big guy up here. And it does say this is valued over $70 for the retail value. Ooh, there's a big one in here as well. This here says Olay Cleansing Melt, water activated daily facial cleanser. Ooh, it says plus vitamin C. There's 32 dissolving pads. And if you can see in that window, it says to soak, add water to activate, and then you just put it on your face and use it like a normal cleanser. And there's 32 in there. That's nice. That's very good, especially for travel too, because there's no liquid. That's awesome. I might hang on to that for when I travel. Now let's see, number 11 is right here. And this is it's that same brand of this right here. And it looks like maybe like I don't know what it's called. A little dabble do you? I don't know what it's called. A little poof. It has like under the name, you can stick like your finger underneath it. And then you have like this kind of poof. I'll stick it with this in the same door in that advent calendar so they can stay together. Then we have was that 11? Yes. Last one right here is number 12. Let's see what we're going to end with on day 12. This is white strips. And it says whitening without the sensitivity. 8 strips for treatment. So top and bottom, you can do it 4 different times with this packet. That's nice. So you have some white strips. So that is everything that is inside of the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Let's go ahead and dive in now to the 12 Days of Skincare. We will go with door number 1. Ooh, this is a good brand. Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And it says it's for normal to dry skin, cleanses, hydrates, and helps restore the protective skin barrier. And again, that is a good brand. So there's number 1. Door number 2. Ooh, Good Molecules. I love this brand. Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. So you have an eye gel, and again, I really, really love Good Molecules, so that's awesome. Number 3 is over here. This is Corelle Ultra Healing Intensive Lotion for extra dry, tight skin. I love using this, especially on my tattoos, because there's no scent or anything. And right now, like, this is a brand new healing tattoo, not even a week old. So this is what I've been putting on it. So this is a one that I'm going to drop in my purse, because anytime I'm out, I can add a little moisture if it starts drying out. So this is a great one to keep in my purse or throw it down in my car, my little center console or something like that. So that's great, because again, that's what I'm using on my new tattoos, which I still need to go back and have it finished, so I'm not done yet. So yes, that will definitely come in handy. Now let's find door number 4 right here. And this one here is a moisturizing lotion, dry to normal sensitive skin. So all skin types will be able to use this lotion. Number 5 is up here. Oh, and this one says it's valued over $73. We have Undercover Blemish Patches. I really love using these because anytime you have a pimple at night on my clean skin, I'll cover it up, and in the morning I'll pull it off and it'll like kind of have most of the stuff all sucked out. It makes it go by so much faster, so much easier. I don't pick at them or anything like that because I'm definitely a picker, but I love having these on. It just makes the speed up time, like everything go by so much faster. So I love having these around. Anytime I see one coming, I put one on. Number 6 is right here. Oh, it's a teeny tiny number 6. Let me see if I can get this one out. Okay, so this says the Healing Ointment, Skin Protecting Non-Greasy Feel. So you have that little guy right there, which is a ointment. I think that's the smallest door here. Now number 7 is over here. We have an e.l.f. product. It says, ooh, look at that big guy. It says Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Ooh, with hyaluronic acid and a spatula included. It's a 2 ounce. That is really neat because I don't think I've tried anything from e.l.f., but a cleansing balm is what I always use to take off my makeup. So I'm gonna definitely try that out because I use something like that every night when I take my makeup off. So that's great right there. Number 8 is up here. And this is a moisturizing gel cream, boosted barrier, better skin. And it says hydrate and balance. A deeply hydrating, lightweight, oil-free gel cream moisturizer to help brighten skin, even skin tone while supporting a skin barrier function. I love a good moisturizer, so that's awesome. Then let's go with number 9 right here. Almost done. Ooh, all right, this is a big one. This is Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. And that's a good size too. So there's a face wash. We're gonna go with number 10. We have a product by number 7, and it says Hydra Luminous Hydrating Day Gel. That's a small one, but number 7's a really good brand, so you can always try that out. And that's another thing, if you test any of these and you like them, you could always purchase the full size, but it's a great way to try out new products that you might not have used or knew about. Number 11, right here. Ooh, this is Olay Mini 5 Serum Benefits in 1 Super Serum. I haven't seen that one before, so that is great. It says better skin texture, more even looking skin tone, firmer feeling skin, smoother visible lines, and long lasting hydration. Elevate your routine with Olay moisturizers. So that's great. Now the last and final, door number 12. Dun, 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 dun. And we have, it looks like a headband. They should have like ended with one of those bigger products, and this should have been like earlier, but that's just my own opinion. But that is the last thing. It looks like it's going to be a headband to keep your hair back, or it's there's 2 different ones here. So maybe they're for your wrists, because I don't think that's a hair scrunchie. So I'm assuming those are for your wrists, not for your head. I can't get that around my head, that's for sure. So that is now everything for the 12 days of skincare. All right, you guys, so that is both of the $20 Target Advent Calendars for 2024. Which one is your favorite? Do you have a favorite item out of each one? I know I'm gonna be using a few of these products from each set, and then all of the rest of them, I'm gonna be packing in that Advent calendar for one of you guys. That's a great thing, because again, normally I don't keep anything from this, and there's a lot of good products in here this time. So I will be keeping some, but I definitely wanted to add a lot to that Advent calendar as well. So I achieved what I wanted to achieve. This was really good. I think this was a really good calendar for both of them this year. But let me know what you thought. I would love to hear what you think in the comment section down below. Again, if you want to check them out, I will have them listed in the description box if you'd like to go take a look at either one of these from the Target website. I will have it there for you in the description box. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is shecrafty.com. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.